In the digital age, a strong online presence is crucial for small businesses. A well-designed website acts as a virtual storefront, attracting and engaging customers. To optimize your website, we've compiled 20 tailored tips, including choosing a reliable web host and implementing SEO strategies. Let's explore how to create a successful online presence. 1. Choose a good web host. Your website's performance and reliability depend on the quality of your web hosting provider. Selecting a good web host is the foundation of a successful online presence. When choosing a web host, consider factors such as uptime guarantees, customer support, server performance, and scalability options. A reliable web host ensures that your website remains accessible to visitors around the clock and provides efficient technical support in case of any issues. 2. Easy navigation. User-friendly navigation is crucial for keeping visitors engaged and helping them find the information they need. Design clear and intuitive menus that are easy to locate and use. Organize your website's content in a logical and structured manner, ensuring that visitors can navigate effortlessly from one section to another. Use descriptive labels for navigation elements, helping users understand the purpose of each link or button. A well-designed navigation system improves the overall user experience and encourages visitors to explore more of your website. 3. Site speed. Optimizing the loading speed of your website is paramount in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Numerous studies have shown that slow-loading websites lead to higher bounce rates and lower conversion rates. To enhance site speed, there are several strategies you can employ. First, optimize your images by compressing them without compromising quality. Additionally, minify your CSS and JavaScript files to reduce their file size and improve loading times. Finally, leverage caching techniques, such as browser caching and server-side caching, to store static content and deliver it more efficiently. By implementing these optimizations, you can significantly enhance your website's performance and provide a seamless browsing experience to your visitors. 4. Responsive web design. In today's mobile-centric world, having a responsive website design is essential. With a responsive design, your website adapts to different screen sizes and resolutions, ensuring that it looks and functions well on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. This approach eliminates the need for separate mobile versions of your site, providing a consistent user experience across devices. Moreover, search engines like Google prioritize mobile-friendly websites in their search results, making responsive design a critical factor for SEO success. By implementing responsive web design principles, you can reach a wider audience and maximize user engagement on your website. 5. Effective homepage headlines. Your homepage headline plays a pivotal role in capturing visitors' attention and communicating your value proposition. Craft compelling headlines that convey the unique benefits and solutions your business offers. Use concise, clear language that resonates with your target audience and highlights the primary value your product or service delivers. Consider incorporating emotional triggers or creating a sense of urgency to engage visitors and encourage them to explore further. A well-crafted homepage headline sets the tone for your website and entices visitors to learn more about what you have to offer. 6. Add calls to action. Calls to action, known as CTAs, are powerful tools for guiding visitors toward desired actions on your website. Whether it's making a purchase, subscribing to a newsletter, or contacting your business, strategically placed CTAs can significantly improve conversion rates. When designing your CTAs, consider their placement, color, size, and wording. Place CTAs prominently on relevant pages and use persuasive language that prompts visitors to take action. For example, instead of using generic phrases like "click here," be specific and compelling, such as "get your free trial now," or "start exploring our services today." Experiment with different types of CTAs, including buttons, forms, or clickable banners, and track their performance to optimize your conversion rates over time. 7. Build trust. Building trust is crucial for establishing credibility and encouraging visitors to become customers. To build trust, it's essential to communicate your brand story effectively. Share the journey of how your business started, your core values, and the mission that drives your operations. Highlight any unique aspects or differentiators that set your business apart from competitors. Additionally, incorporate trust signals throughout your website, such as customer testimonials, case studies, client logos, certifications, and industry awards. These elements provide social proof and demonstrate your credibility and expertise. By building trust, you create a positive perception of your brand, which can lead to increased customer loyalty and conversions. 8. Customer testimonials. Customer testimonials are powerful social proof that can influence potential customers' purchasing decisions. According to a survey by Bright Local, 46% of customers believe that online reviews of businesses are just as reliable as personal recommendations from family or friends. Displaying positive testimonials from satisfied customers on your website helps build trust and demonstrates the quality of your products or services. Collect testimonials from happy customers through various channels, such as email, social media, or dedicated review platforms. Showcase these testimonials prominently on your website, ensuring they are authentic, detailed, and attributed to real customers. By featuring customer testimonials, you provide reassurance to potential customers and showcase the positive experiences others have had with your business. 9. Strong security. In today's digital landscape, cybersecurity is a significant concern for small businesses. Protecting your website from malicious attacks is crucial to safeguard your business and customer data. Implementing robust security measures helps prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and potential damage to your reputation. Start by establishing strong password policies, ensuring that passwords are complex and regularly updated. Enable multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security, requiring users to provide additional verification steps beyond passwords. Utilize security plugins and services like Cloudflare to protect your website from a multitude of threats, including DDoS attacks, malware, and brute force attempts. Remember, small businesses are the primary target of 43% of cyber attacks, and a staggering 60% of these businesses collapse within 6 months after a cyber attack. By prioritizing website security, you mitigate the risks associated with cyber threats and protect your business and customers. 10. Attractive web design. In the online realm, aesthetics play a crucial role in creating a positive user experience and capturing visitors' attention. An attractive web design helps create a memorable first impression and reflects your brand's identity. Consider incorporating visually pleasing layouts, high-quality images, and consistent branding elements such as color schemes and typography. A well-designed website engages visitors, encourages them to stay longer, and enhances their perception of your business. Strive for a balance between aesthetics and functionality, ensuring that your design elements support the user experience and facilitate easy navigation and access to relevant information. Work with professional designers or use user-friendly website builders to create visually appealing and engaging websites. 11. Satisfaction guarantee. Offering a satisfaction guarantee is an effective way to build customer trust and confidence in your products or services. A satisfaction guarantee reassures potential buyers that they can rely on your business to deliver the promised value. Clearly communicate your guarantee policy on your website, detailing what it entails and how customers can avail themselves of it. Prominently display the satisfaction guarantee badge on relevant pages, such as product or service descriptions or checkout pages. By offering a satisfaction guarantee, you differentiate yourself from competitors and remove the perceived risk of purchasing from your business. 12. Add badges. Trust badges, such as security seals, payment icons, or industry certifications, can significantly enhance trust and credibility on your website. These visual cues provide reassurance to visitors that their sensitive information is secure and that your business operates with integrity. Display relevant badges prominently on your website, especially on checkout pages and wherever sensitive customer information is requested. Common trust badges include SSL certificates, PCI compliance badges, and recognized industry certifications. By incorporating these badges, you instill confidence in your customers and alleviate any concerns they may have about data security or trustworthiness. 13. Collect leads. Lead generation is vital for nurturing potential customers and growing your business. By capturing contact information from interested visitors, you can continue to engage with them and convert them into paying customers over time. Incorporate lead capture forms strategically throughout your website, offering incentives such as free ebooks, exclusive content, or discounts in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Use email marketing tools to manage and nurture leads effectively, sending targeted campaigns that provide value and build relationships. Remember to comply with applicable data protection and privacy regulations, such as obtaining consent for email communication and providing options to unsubscribe. By implementing lead generation strategies, you establish a direct line of communication with potential customers and maximize your chances of conversion. 14. Legal pages. Legal pages are essential for establishing transparency and protecting your business legally. These pages help inform visitors about their rights and responsibilities when interacting with your website or purchasing your products or services. The key legal pages every small business website should have include terms of service, privacy policy, and disclaimer. These pages outline the rules, regulations, and protections that govern the use of your website and the handling of customer data. Consult with legal professionals or use reputable online templates to ensure compliance with applicable laws and regulations specific to your industry and jurisdiction. By displaying these legal pages, you demonstrate your commitment to transparency and provide visitors with the necessary information to make informed decisions. 15. Social media. Integrating social media into your website is crucial for expanding your online reach and engaging with your target audience. Social media platforms offer powerful opportunities to connect with potential customers, share content, and build brand awareness. Link your social media profiles to your website, allowing visitors to easily follow and interact with your business across different platforms. It's also good to diversify your traffic sources by leveraging popular social media platforms to drive visitors to your website. And place social media icons prominently in the footer of your website. Placing social media buttons at the footer is a strategic move to prevent potential customers from leaving prematurely. When visitors arrive at a website, their primary goal is to engage with the content or find relevant information. Placing social media buttons at the top or prominently on the page can distract them from this primary objective, leading to premature exits from the site. However, by locating the social media icons at the footer, you provide a subtle reminder of your presence on various platforms without interrupting their browsing experience. Once visitors have explored your content and engaged with your offerings, they are more likely to connect with your brand through social media at the end of their visit. This approach improves the overall user experience, increases the chances of lead generation, and fosters longer website interactions, ultimately benefiting your business. By incorporating social media into your website, you create additional touchpoints with your audience and amplify your marketing efforts. 16. Offer special deals. Special deals, discounts, or limited-time offers can be powerful incentives for driving customer acquisition and increasing sales. These promotions create a sense of urgency and exclusivity, encouraging potential customers to take action. Consider creating special offers that are tailored to your target audience's preferences and pain points. For example, you can offer a percentage discount on specific products or services, provide free shipping for a limited time, or bundle related items at a discounted price. Promote these special deals prominently on your website, using banners, pop-ups, or dedicated landing pages to grab visitors' attention. By offering special deals, you incentivize customers to choose your business over competitors and increase your chances of conversion. 17. Add videos. Video content has emerged as a highly effective marketing tool. According to a survey by WiseOwl, 91% of businesses use video as a marketing tool in 2023. Videos have the power to engage and captivate audiences, providing an immersive and memorable experience. They can effectively showcase your products or services, explain complex concepts, share customer testimonials, or provide valuable insights to your target audience. Incorporating videos on your website can increase the average duration of time visitors spend on your site and improve engagement metrics. Moreover, video content has a strong influence on purchasing decisions, with 89% of people stating that watching a video has convinced them to buy a product or service. Similarly, 79% of people say watching a video has convinced them to buy a software or app. With 91% of people expressing the desire to see more online videos from brands in 2023, incorporating video content into your website becomes even more critical. To create effective videos, consider working with professional videographers or using user-friendly tools and platforms to produce high-quality content that aligns with your brand and resonates with your target audience. 18. 404 pages. Customizing and optimizing your 404 error pages can turn a frustrating experience into an opportunity to engage visitors and retain their interest. When visitors encounter a broken or non-existent page on your website, they are often met with a default 404 error message. By customizing this page, you can provide a more helpful and user-friendly experience. Design your 404 page to be visually appealing, consistent with your website's branding, and include a clear error message explaining what went wrong. Additionally, provide suggestions for alternative content or a search bar to help visitors find what they were looking for. Consider adding a personalized touch, such as a friendly message or a touch of humor, to make the experience more enjoyable. Redirect visitors to relevant pages or provide links to popular sections of your website to minimize bounce rates and guide them back into the browsing flow. By optimizing your 404 pages, you can transform a potentially negative experience into a positive one, retaining visitors' interest and helping them find the content they are looking for. 19. SEO strategy. Implementing an effective search engine optimization strategy is crucial for improving your website's visibility in search engine results. SEO helps drive organic traffic to your website, increasing your online visibility and attracting potential customers. To develop a successful SEO strategy, start by conducting keyword research to identify relevant search terms your target audience uses. Optimize your website's on-page elements, such as meta titles, meta descriptions, heading tags, and URLs, to include relevant keywords. Create high-quality, valuable content that addresses your audience's needs and aligns with their search intent. Building authoritative backlinks from reputable websites within your industry is another essential aspect of SEO. Continuously monitor and analyze your website's performance using SEO tools to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven optimizations. Remember that SEO is an ongoing process, and staying updated with the latest trends and algorithm changes is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. 20. Accessibility. Web accessibility is essential for inclusivity and compliance. It ensures that individuals with disabilities can access and navigate your website effectively. Implementing accessibility measures not only assists users with disabilities but also serves as a preventive measure against potential lawsuits. According to WebAIM, a leading accessibility organization, they conducted a test and discovered that 96.3% of the top 1 million web pages worldwide have WCAG conformance issues. By implementing accessibility guidelines outlined by the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, you can make your website more inclusive and accessible to a broader audience. This includes providing alternative text for images, using proper heading structures, ensuring sufficient color contrast, and offering keyboard navigation options. In addition to providing equal access to individuals with disabilities, implementing accessibility measures can also enhance the overall user experience for all visitors. Accessibility has become a legal requirement in many countries, and non-compliance can lead to potential lawsuits. According to Seyfarth, a law firm specializing in accessibility litigation, there was a decrease of 2,758 Title III lawsuits filed in federal courts in 2022 compared to the previous year, totaling 8,694 cases. However, it is important to note that this data reflects a noteworthy increase of 319% of lawsuits since 2013. By prioritizing accessibility, you not only ensure compliance but also create an inclusive online environment and avoid potential legal consequences. By implementing the tips mentioned in this video, from choosing a reliable web host to leveraging social media and videos, you can create a powerful online presence that attracts and retains customers. Stay proactive and continuously improve to achieve long-term growth and success. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe.